How should we pray? Well, we should pray by the way we are in the world, to respect and have reverence for all of life, and the sanctity of all that exists is the epitome of prayer. To acknowledge God as the source and the presence of all existence in all of its expressions is the epitome of prayer. People think of prayers in terms of asking for favors. Oh God, I want a Mercedes-Benz. She was something else, wasn't she? When she sang Ball and Chain, the whole audience was just suspended. There's a long pause there in the music, and everybody sits on the edge of their seats, so they stand on their seats, and then she comes through with that note, and they all go, oh! To my mind, prayer is not just a recitation. See, the intention of the recitation is undoubtedly quite powerful, just like prayer wheels. It's the intention of the prayer wheel that gives it its spiritual power, right? So whether you burn sticks, walk back and forth around the squares and the floor of the cathedral, whatever you do in the name of God, for the sake of God, is like karma yoga, having been done for thee, O Lord. For thee, O Lord, do I thusly peel potatoes, vacuum the floor, suffer the aches and pains of this body, write thank you letters, send Christmas cards, pay my taxes. Whatever I do, if I do it in the name of God, because by doing that, your understanding of the nature of God keeps expanding. And that in itself is a grace to see the opportunity, and to follow that opportunity in itself is positive karma, is itself grace.